Hello everyone. Today this online session topic is internal combustion engine terminology. We will discuss definition of IC engine and terminology of IC engine. Okay. Internal combustion engine definition. What is internal combustion engine? Internal combustion engine means the combustion of fuel air mixture take place inside the combustion chamber where the fuel chemical energy is converted into heat energy and heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. Now the definition of heat engine. What is heat engine? A machine device which derives heat from the combustion of fuel and converts the part of the energy into mechanical work is called as a heat engine. The heat engine may be classified external combustion engine and internal combustion engine. Already discussed. Internal combustion means inside the combustion chamber there fuel air mixture of fuel air mixture, the combustion take place and the heat is developed. That heat is converted into mechanical energy. In case of internal combustion engine, the combustion of fuel with oxygen of air occurs with the cylinder of engine. The internal combustion engine group includes the engine employing mixture of combustible gases and air known as gas engine, those using the lighter liquid fuel or spirit known as a petrol engine, and those using heavier liquid fuel is called as a oil engine. Oil, compression, ignition or diesel engines. The important application of IC engines are road vehicles, locomotive, ships, aircrafts, portable standby units for the power generation in case of scarcity of electric power, extensively used for the farm tractors, lawn mowers, concrete mixing device, motor bolts. Now terminology of IC engine. There are few terminology of IC engine, that is uh, stroke, clearance volume, swept volume, TDC, top dead center, bottom dead center, bore. These are the terminology. Compression ratio. These are the terminology of IC engine. One by one, look at this schematic diagram. TDC, it is called as a top dead center. The piston moves from TDC to BDC, top dead to bottom dead center, and BDC is nothing but bottom dead center. Bore, it is the diameter of cylinder of engine. Stroke, it is denoted by L. Stroke is nothing but the piston moves from TDC to BDC, top dead center to bottom dead center, or bottom dead center to top dead center, vice versa. The traveling distance of the piston inside the engine cylinder is called as a stroke. Bore, one by one definition. Bore, it is inside diameter of cylinder is called as a bore. Stroke, the piston moves from TDC to BDC or BDC to TDC, top dead center to bottom dead center, or bottom dead center to top dead center, vice versa. The linear distance of moving of the piston from TDC to BDC is called as a stroke. TDC is nothing but it is the topmost position towards the cover end side of the cylinder is called as a TDC, top dead center. In case of horizontal engine, this is known as a inner dead center. BDC, bottom dead center, it is lowest position of the piston towards the crank side of the cylinder is called as a BDC. Look this schematic diagram. Bottom dead center, and top dead center. The distance between top to bottom, TDC to BDC, is called as a stroke. Next, clearance volume. The volume contained in the cylinder above the TDC or piston reach at TDC at the top. When the piston is at the TDC is called as the clearance volume. Look at this schematic diagram. When piston is at TDC, the volume available when piston is at TDC, this volume is called as the clearance volume. Next is the swept volume. The volume swept through the piston in moving between TDC and BDC centers is called as a swept volume, or it is also called as a piston displacement volume. Look at this, the schematic diagram. The piston moves from BDC to TDC. The volume swept by the piston is called as a swept volume. The swept volume is denoted by V suffix S